mostly which nationality girls come on? कितने पैसे लगेंगे यूएस से जाने के लिए इंटरव्यू पास होने के बाद? Please reply me. Hello guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video, guys. Yes guys, today from this video we are going to start a series which name is actually a comment box, and today in this video I have picked up a few comments which are actually a very important and a good comments which I have got in a form of questions, and I thought why don't I share with these the answer of these comments basically with all the people, with all the community, okay, because it's definitely going to help you out. And there are some few questions which actually are so interesting and can be a laughing as well, but make sure you have subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon to the all notifications on, so whenever I will upload a more informative videos you will get a notification automatically to your phone. All right, and guys, make sure whatever question you have got in your mind you do comment on my video, because from now onwards I'll be picking up your comments if I find that comment is a very precious comment and should be answered with the community. Okay, so well guys, let's get started. So the first comment I have received from Mr. Pritam Tiwari, and he had asked me is, in what position a crew gets a separate cabin? Well guys, if you are on the slightly higher position then you would get your separate cabin, but it also depends on the class of the ship. Okay, and it depends, you are working on the class A, class B, class C. If the size of the ship is smaller itself, then guys you have to be literally on the management position, then only you will get a separate cabin, otherwise you have to share with your cabin mates, okay, means the crew members. All right, and guys, I believe in this pandemic season there would be a separate cabin for each and every crew members for the next 2 years, which I believe it has to be something like that, because I have gone through so many of post of the ships, and I've seen some videos as well where crew members are provided a separate cabins now, and each and every guest as well. So there is a limited guest as well as the limited crew members. More space so can be given to a crew members being a separate cabin. All right, second comment. Well, second comment I have received from Mr. I don't know, the name is Study with Funny Tricks, and here asked me is, he or she, I don't know, sorry, and after finishing the contract we go home, and after how many months we go on ship means recontract, please tell sir. Well, I think he is or she, whatever, they are asking me about how many months of holiday we get. So as soon as you know how many months of holiday you are getting, so after that you will have your recontract. Well guys, there is a one simple technique to find out how many months of a week holiday you are going to, like suppose guys I had showed you my offer letter, so it was clearly mentioned out there was a 6 months of contract and the 6 weeks of leave. So I believe guys, whatever months you are working on board ship, like suppose you have worked 8 months, so you will get 8 weeks of leave. All right, and then after that you will have your recontract. Well guys, it also depends on the manpower. If there is a requirement, then the cruise company, they can always call you a little bit earlier. And guys, if there is enough manpower and you are not required for that moment, so they might will give you a call after a few days. Okay, so guys, you can just have a rough idea, like suppose you have worked for 8 contracts, so you will have 8 weeks of holiday, and after that you will be joining a ship. Third comment I have received from Mr. Sohan Modak, and he has asked me, mostly which nationality girls come on board? Well guys, this is a very interesting question, and I can say is I have been on a Norwegian escape, and there I found mostly Philippine people, then after that Indonesian peoples, then after that Indians, and then there were some, you know, Jamaica, Zimbabwe, and some South African peoples were there, and then there were some Canadian peoples as well. So guys, you know, peoples are going to be mixed up over there, but maximum of majority of people would be Philippines, and then Indonesian, and then there would be an Indian, and Indian girls would be really very less, and you will find more guys over there. All right, next question I have received from Mr. Abhilash Sagaria. कितने पैसे लगेंगे यूएस से जाने के लिए इंटरव्यू पास होने के बाद? प्लीज रिप्लाई मी. Well, actually he is asking me, but I have understood is after getting hired or after clearing an interview, how much money does it going to cost to join the ship? This is what I have understood, right? Well guys, if you have done all the things and your interview is cleared, so after that, well guys, if you want to know how much cost it is going to be, so I have already made a video, means how much money does it going to cost to join the ship, and there I have given a complete details guys, and even I will link the video down in the description below, or even on this I button, so you can click on that video and you can watch and you can have a complete details about it. Okay, next question as well I have received from the Abhilash Sagaria only. If someone passed the interview, who will provide flight ticket, visa? Please reply me. Well, Mr. Abhishek Sagaria, I have also means given the answer of this question already in that same video itself. So guys, you please make sure at that video, because it is going to give you a complete information about who is going to pay for flight, visa, your STSW courses, medical, how much it is going to cost. I have already mentioned very clearly in the video, guys. Please watch that video, okay? And the next comment I have received from Mr. Pintu Karmokar. Sir, do we work in the same ship in every contract, or ship changes after every contract? Well, it is actually going to depend on where the requirement is available, because I have seen so many of people, because when I was there on board ship, so I used to see the mapping, like suppose the people has a sign off today, and how many, after how many months they are going to join back the ship. Well guys, I have seen mostly people get the different ship on every contract, but are probabilities you are going to join the same ship. Okay, it happens. And like suppose if you are working in the marine department, some of the security department, so I have seen most of the people, they do come to the same ship as well, because they have the complete information about the ship, guys. Okay, and in the hotel department and some entertainment department, ship is going to be changed, I think so, but not so many of ships, guys, because mostly people they come over and over again in 4 to 5 ships. Okay, so guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you found my efforts worthy, then please make sure you like this video. It really motivates me to keep making such videos for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, do the all notifications on, so whenever I will upload a more informative videos, you will get a notification automatically to your phone. Well guys, if you have got any comment, any question in your mind, then please make sure you do comment on this video. And if you want to have a personal conversation maybe, so guys, my Instagram ID link is given down in the description below. You can follow me out there and you can have a personal conversation with me. Okay, so well guys, if you found this video helpful, then please make sure you do share it as well, and I will see you in the next video. Till take care, bye bye.